Page number 16. Get ready. Start. Respected members, when our government was formed, I had said, let us not care for what happened in the past. Let us again be together. We may have different plans, but cannot have identical plans. At the same time, no difficulties should be created in the way of building up of the nation. Democracy can operate only when the government and the opposition party respect each other and try to work in peace. This does not mean that the opposition has no right to differ. That right is present in a democracy, but no effort should be made to stop the working of the government. During our fight for independence, we marched forward together in an orderly way. We had then no thoughts of our own selves nor of our demands. There were few employment opportunities, stock of goods was less, people were driven away, and we were not treated well in our own country. But Gandhiji turned all the people from different groups into a workforce which surprised the whole world. We are a peaceful force, a force for culture, a force for wisdom of the kind hardly seen in any other country. Our aim is to make our country great. All we seek is peace, to save our independence. We wish to establish true democracy in our country. Democracy not for the few, but for the poorest of the poor, so that they can have 2 full meals a day and can be usefully employed and guard their self-respect. Only because we can now provide these things can we say that the word which our leaders had given has been met. If we stand together, there is no task which we cannot accomplish, and no problem that we cannot solve. and no danger which we cannot face. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your letter of the 3rd and are sorry to know of the trouble caused to you by the failure of the ship Lucy to reach on Monday. We can assure you that the stoves were ready for delivery on Monday, but owing to a heavy storm, the ship was delayed for a day, leaving early Tuesday. We can but apologize for this delay, which, as you will see, is in no way due to failure on our part. By this post, you should also receive a copy of our illustrated catalogue, which gives all details and the prices of the several types of stoves we manufacture. Thanking you in the meantime